Hello folks, I am Akın from Node 101. Today I am here with the new video series which is Validator Specials. In this series we examine the projects we validate on Cosmos and later maybe the other networks and how to stake those projects tokens into validators. In this context our first project is Band Protocol. So what is Band Protocol? Band Protocol is the second largest Oracle service provider in the ecosystem after Chainlink. They have a service to transfer off-chain data into the blockchain. To understand Band Protocol properly, first we need to know that what oracles do. Maybe we can give one example from BandVRF. Yeah, BandVRF is a randomness service from Band Protocol. They offer randomness services to blockchain projects. So maybe you can ask, why do blockchain projects need randomness? We can look into two use cases to understand better. First, suppose you're an NFT collection creator and will offer your collection to the mint process. And to sustain your fairness in the community, NFTs should be randomly distributed, right? In most cases, Oracle gives such services to collection owners because you cannot do these activities on chain. Maybe the second example make you more comfortable with oracles. Suppose there is an on-chain lottery organization that should select the winner. They need a number to choose the winner fairly. These examples can help understand functionalities in randomness. Maybe let's give another example to understand oracles properly. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin and Ether. In the ecosystem, there are lots of Ether or Bitcoin-based contracts. General market data is crucial in such contracts because any anomaly in a specific chain makes those contracts dysfunctional. To prevent such an incidence or unlucky incidents, contract writer needs more general market data. In such a scenario, general oracles providers come in. But why general market data? So think about a specific chain in Cosmos or Polkadot. So the chain is small and the volume in the chain is small, and any fluctuations in the price can your contracts dysfunctional. So why these oracles important in such a scenarios? Maybe the pill analogy to make our tries to understand oracle's permanence. Oracle can be defined as the ears of blockchain. But why? Think about your ears functions in daily life. Without your ears, you cannot hear anything from the outside world, and you are more open to threats from the outside, right? The same thing is valid for blockchains too. So when one is talking about oracles behind you, remember two ears. So let's dive into the team. The team consists of three persons, three founders actually. One of the founders is Sorovis Srnavakon. He's the CEO and co-founder of Band Protocol. He graduated in Stanford University and worked in Boston Consulting Group, which is the top 3 management consultancy group in the world. And he listed in Forbes 30 under 30 in Asia entrepreneurial technologies. And the second person is Soravit Suryakan. He is MIT graduate. He worked in Quora, Dropbox, and Hudson River Trading. And the third founder is Paul Natapasiri. He did internship in TripAdvisor, and he worked in TurfMap as a web developer. He created lots of crypto games since 2013. Yeah, here's the team, and we can look the investors as well. There is Sequoia Capital, which is a well-known VC company in the ecosystem, and we can see the Binance, and the other investors are Dynamo Partners, Spartan, Alpha Ventures, Woodstock, and CX. Yeah, I think that's all for Band protocol. So we can pass the how we can stake Band token into validators. Now we will look at how we can stake Band tokens into validators. To stake a Band token, you should have Band tokens, absolutely. You can skip this part if you have Band tokens in your Kepler wallet. If you don't have one, we recommend overseeing this part. Now we are at the Osmosis zone, the biggest stakes of the Cosmos ecosystem. We will do our swapping process in Osmosis. We bought the Atom token in our previous videos and send it to the Kepler wallet. You can watch this video if you need to learn the process. If you didn't send your assets in the Osmosis zone, you should do. I have done it before, but I can show you what you can do. First, you should press the deposit button, that which part you have. Later, you should determine an amount for transferring your token to Osmosis zone, and then click on the deposit button. Now I will buy band tokens by swapping atoms in the bands. Let's do it 0.4. I push the swap button and yeah, okay, and waited to approve the transaction. Yeah, I am waiting for the transaction to realize. Yeah, I bought a band token successfully on the Osmosis. And now we should send our band tokens into the BandChain. To do that, we should add a BandChain into Kepler, because BandChain is not in the Kepler wallet in its default version. So we are on the PingPub website under the Band protocols page. We will connect our wallet in that section. You can see the part of enable Kepler for Lazy mainnet. It's the band's mainnet chain. I click the enable Kepler button, and now I can see the band chain in my wallet, I think. Yeah, it's my band protocol wallet. I will copy my public band chain key. I turn back to Osmosis zone and go to the asset side. Clicking the withdraw, I determine the amount that yeah, the public key is the same. I want to transfer 2.5 band, and clicking withdraws band button with low gas fee. Yeah, waiting for being realized. Yeah, my funds arrive at BandChain. I can see the tokens in my Kepler wallet in the BandChain, so I'm going to return the PingPub side again, and I select the Kepler wallet option. You can write whatever you want in the account name section. Now our wallet in PingPub is determined. Now we will stake our band tokens. Now you can click the arrow button in the BandChain section and select the staking part. You can see all the validators here. I will stake both Node 101 and the validator, which will be picked by lottery. Now I am staking one band token into the node 101 validator. Uh, I'm just yeah, band and pushing the send button and approving the transaction with low gas fee. Now transfer is completed. As I mentioned, we determine the other validator by doing a raffle. We will write down the active validators in a list. The validators on the list are not centralized exchange based, and there are no team nodes. We want to warn you about the commission fee. It would be best if you look at the commission in the validator properly. We didn't recommend staking a centralized exchange or team or 100% commission validators. To support decentralization, you can stake into low rank validators. Now let the raffle begin. Haha. Our lucky winner is not one. It's really interesting coincidence when we think of a name of the similarity between not one and not 101. Okay. Now we will stake some band tokens in the node 1 validator. We will stake one band into node 1 as node 101. It's been a really strange sentence, yeah. Yeah, okay. Now our token will be delegated to node 1 validator. Yeah, our transaction is successful. That's it for this video. We dive into band protocol and oracles and saw the team and their experience. Lastly, we check the investors of the band protocol. Remember to push the like button for more videos like this and make your notifications bell on. See you soon in another videos.